babes, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Jency and I'm on a journey to become debt free. Today we're going to be playing Freebie Friday. I have $53 to play with today, and oh my goodness, can you believe it's Friday? Yeah, me either. No, I can't believe it. I have my sweater weather Ray-Don mug with my coffee. I already finished it, so I will let you guys know. Right here are my binders. I changed my binder, so I kept mini Mondays here and Freebie Friday. So now this is my Freebie Friday binder, and then this one right here is my mini Mondays. Should I keep this or should I do the bright pink one? What should I do? Should I keep it or do the bright pink one? And then if I do the bright pink one, this is how my stack will look. Ooh, a little pop of color. Yes. Okay. I don't know. Let me know what you guys think. By the way, I used to sell it in my Etsy shop. I no longer do. But hey, you never know, right? You never know. But anyways, guys, let's go ahead and get started, shall we? Let's stop wasting time and let's get to Freebie Friday. I am so excited to see how today's goes. All right. By the way, it is so windy outside. My hubby texted me and said, babe, there is snow furries falling down. Like, you know, we're supposed to get snow. And so he's like, they're falling down. I can see the little furry. And I'm like, oh my goodness. So it's extremely cold over here. So there is that. Okay. Awesome sauce. So let's do this here, right here. Okay. All right, let's go ahead and get started, shall we? Ooh-wee. Y'all hear that? I don't know if y'all hear that, but it's so windy. It's bananas. It's bananas. It's bananas. All right, so on this one here, we're going to do it like this. Okay, and then we have to take a thumbnail. You already know that. We ain't playing with no thumbnail, okay? We are not playing with thumbnails. Okay. I will fix them in just a second. By the way, my cute little flower valentines are starting to die. I mean, it's been a week now since I got it, because I got it for Valentine's. Y'all hear that? Let me know if y'all hear that. I mean, it is windy. Y'all hear that? Oh my goodness, that's how windy it is. Okay, babes, let's go ahead and take a thumbnail. All right. So, thumbnail it is. Hold on, let me get my little dice in here. Okay. All right, here's my cute little dice. Okay. And your girl's going to take a thumbnail. Right? Ready? 3, 2, 1. Cheese. Okay. Let's go ahead and get started. Good luck, everybody. I do have 5s. I don't have 10s today. So yeah. So let's see how today's goes. Good luck. All right. We're starting off with 6. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. I will put everyone's challenges or everyone's channel that I'm using on the description box, so you can go and follow them, like Budget with Amanda, Life with Me, The Hopeful Budgeter. This one, she doesn't have a YouTube, and then those are mine. So yeah. Okay, we have a 3. Awesome sauce. We have a 3. All right, how are you guys doing? Let me know how you guys doing this weekend. Do you guys have anything exciting going on? Ooh, the first 5. Yep, we're done with that one. There's no way we're not done with that one. A 5. Ooh, did I mess up on this one? I don't know if I did. I feel like I did. I feel like it was a 5, and then I don't know. I will see when I edit it. Either way, $1 won't hurt its way. Okay, but let me know how you guys doing. Ooh, of course, you already know this is a redo. It never fails for it to go all the way to the window. To the window. To the wall. To my sweat. Ah, yup. Ah, skit. Another one, okay. Do y'all remember? Oh, another 1 out of 5. Oh yeah, that one's done. That one's done. Do y'all remember when I made that scratch off that I was just listening to music and out of the nowhere, number one, I made that scratch off of to the window, to the wall, till my debit card goes down and fall. I don't know. I made something like that towards like my debit card or credit card goes down and fall or something like that. I made it. I was in the mood and I made it. And I remember I was like, on my story, ooh, finally a 4. And I told everyone on my story, if you want to enter, please slide to my to my story and go ahead and enter. And yeah, I don't know. It's just when I listen to music, I don't know, I get inspired. I'm an old soul, believe it or not. I feel like I'm an old soul with like, if you, oh, snappy. It went down here. Like, I listen to everything. Like, I don't just listen to certain stuff, okay? 5, okay. Sorry. I'm getting distracted. At 3, I feel like we're gonna finish so much today because we are so close to finish a few. So, finger crossed, knock on wood, that we finish a few. I think we're gonna finish at least 2. There's no way because I was very close to finish a few. So I'm excited to see. All right, we got a 5 and then we're getting close to being done. Another 5. Oh my goodness. A 4. I stopped that one, so oh well. And a 1, and then I got one more dollar, and let's see who gets it. Oh my gosh, I see snow. A 2. I see not snow, but I see furries. Can y'all see that? Oh my gosh, I'm about to get you guys out of the phone. Not out of the phone, but I'm about to take the phone out and show you guys. Maybe y'all can see it. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm trying to see if y'all see that. Do you guys see those white furries? I don't know if y'all can see that. I don't think you can. It's not windy anymore, but there's some white furries. I promise you. My hand is shaking because I'm like trying to reach over. If you pay close attention, you will see the white furries passing through or falling down or whatever. Oh my gosh. Okay, let's go ahead and get it going. All right, let's see how we did today. So I hope you saw that. You probably won't, but I'll try my best to show you. But there is white snow or white furries falling down from the sky. Woo! Okay, you know what that means, that my booty is gonna be cold. I get cold fast, you guys. I really do. All right, here we go. Okay, when I stop recording, furry comes down to my window. I was trying to show you. I hope y'all saw that. Okay, so this one here, we had a leftover of $1. Ooh, and we only needed $6, and you know we did that. Yeah, look at this. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. $12 with the one left over. That's 13, so 5, 6. Oh, baby, we did this. Yes, we did. And you can get this in my coffee shop. You can click on the description, and you will see it there. So, yes. Ma'am. All right, Easter got us how much? Let's see. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36. $36. I'm telling you, $36. I'm telling you, this is so much fun. You can do this. Y'all got this. Okay, let's find, oopsies. Let's find another challenge that we have up in here. Hold on. Up in here. Okay, let's do this one. This one's gonna be a huge one, but it is okay. All right, this is gonna be the biggest one. This is SNC Budget Creation on Etsy. I'm only gonna put the money here, but not the challenge. Or maybe yes, I do the challenge. That's okay. Okay. So this one here, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We have 7 left. So we're gonna do this 7. Okay. And this one will save us $70. $2. So we're gonna put that out there, and yes. Awesome sauce. Okay, awesome. All right, next we are done with this one too. I cannot believe it. We needed $6. And did we have a leftover? We had a leftover of $2. So we have 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. Can you believe that? Oh my gosh. 5, 6. So we got a 6. Oh, let's see how much we save on this one. You can get this in my Ko-fi shop too. Ko-fi, I don't know. Whatever y'all want to name it or call it. Okay, let's see. 5, 6, 7, 8. Ooh. Just kidding. Rewind. 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Oh my goodness. $30. Okay. Oh my gosh. Okay. Yes. Now let's find another one. Another one. DJ Colin. Okay. Oh my gosh. Okay. Yeah. Well, let's do this one. That's okay. Let's do this one for Bookie's budget. Bookie's budget. Ales? I don't know. You know me and my English. We are not friends. Okay. And reading. We're not friends. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so we're gonna do 5. Oh my goodness. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Yay! Okay, awesome sauce. This one will save us $20, so that's exciting. Believe it or not, small wins do get you excited. Don't think that small win is a loser type of thing. No, it's not. No, it ain't. Girl. No, it ain't. Okay, here we go. This one had 0 left over, and this one got 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. $10. 10. So that's 3, 6. I mean, no, not 6, 5. Oh my gosh. 3, 4, 5, 7, 9, and 10. Right? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yes, 10. 10. Yes. Oh, we're getting close to completing that one, you guys. Oh my gosh. It makes me happy. Because I'm happy, clap a lot. Cause I'm happy. Alright, let's go. You hear the train? The train is a pay actor, legit. Not really. The train is always passing. But I'll be honest with you guys, back then, the train will pass, I'm not kidding, like 2 times an hour. 2 times an hour. And now, it barely passed. So, yeah, it's weird. Okay, this one had 0 left over, and it got a 4. So that means we're going to do 2 donuts. 2 donuts. Yes. Ooh, we're getting close. Look at that, you guys. Oh my goodness. Look at this. Oh my gosh. We need 3 more donuts, and we're going to be done with this one. And this one will save us $40. Yes, ma'am. Okay. Awesome sauce. Okay. We're almost done. I promise we're almost done. We got 2 left. 2 left. To the left. To the right. Now kick. Is that how it goes? I don't know. Okay. This one had 0 left. So this one got 5, 6, 7. Ooh. Okay, rewind. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay. 15, baby. So, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, there was a 9. Oh, man, I should have done the 9. Oh, well. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, cheesecake. Okay, so... Oh my goodness. Okay, scratch this. Let's not do this. This one is not done. So 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and 16. Okay. Sorry. So this one is not done. Okay, so look. 9, 10, 14, 15, 16. Okay, this one is not done yet. Okay, this one's not done. So next time we have a 6 and a 3. Oh my gosh. I cannot. It's too early in the morning. Too early in the morning. Okay. Oh my goodness. Okay. Awesome. Oh my gosh, we're gonna be done with that one too. Yes, this is why I get so excited with stuff like this. Small wins do add up quick, and it gets you excited when you finish stuff like this. So yeah, okay, last one. This one got $3. It didn't get much, but it's okay. So $3 is gonna be the yellow one. $3 for the yellow. Okay, not even gonna add anything to it like that. So I'm gonna just keep it like this because it's too thick. It's too thick. Look at this. Okay, there you have it, guys. Look at that. That was Freebie Friday. Okay, I hope you liked that. Hope you had a great time with me because I did. I always do. Who says you can't have a great time saving money? Yes, you can. Oh, yes, you can. Okay? Don't let no one tell you wrong. No. Okay. All right. Let's go ahead and put those bad boys back. And we'll see them again next time. Alrighty, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a great weekend. Have fun. Enjoy yourself. Go out with the kiddos. Whatever you're going to do. Enjoy yourself. Life is short. So, yeah. I'll see you guys on the next one. Adios. I love you guys.